What's up, guys? We are back again, and we got a few different things going on today. I have to take the tractor back home to back to where we live today, so gonna finish over there on that trail, smoothing it out, getting the wood chips where they need to be, and I might try to bring some wood chips to dump in these little low spots here. But Dylan's actually in the truck. He's gonna be picking up all the rest of the stumps on the trail and then dumping them into the pile. And while he does that, since we're gonna end up widening this drive, basically this is gonna be the start of the drive, so we're gonna widen it 24 feet that way. All these trees are gonna be knocked down anyway, and so I think what I'm gonna do is either I'm gonna get the chainsaw out and just cut them, or I might just dig around them with the excavator and then just push them over, and then gonna cut off the trunks, probably all the limbs and stuff like that, and then I'll try to probably cut a few of these trees into like 8-foot sections and then stack them in the back. I'll show you guys where, but and then basically that'll be firewood for this coming year, or whenever we open. It'll be hopefully dried enough, cured enough, but I don't want to burn these trees because they're pretty decent sized trees here in this little section, and I think that we could definitely use them. So that's the plan for today. And then I'm gonna take the tractor back at the end of today, and then basically what we're gonna do is next weekend bring the tractor back, and we're gonna bring a couple different implements. We're gonna bring the bush hog, the tiller, and a box blade. But yeah, so we'll start with this one, and these aren't huge trees either, so I mean it's kind of, you know, we're just kind of, hey, we're just doing what we can do type of thing. Get a little bit further. There we go. But yeah, all these trees are going to have to be removed anyway, so like I said, we're already removing these trees, so we might as well use them and try to make a couple bucks from them. So yeah, anyway, that's the plan. And let's see, we're gonna split them and everything like that too. Obviously not today. We'll just cut them up into the lengths that we want, and then from there we will we'll split them. I'm trying to decide if I want to bring this whole tree around or if I want to do it a different way. So I just cut the stump off, and then I also cut a 16-foot piece out of it. So let's see here. I'll bring this over here. I'll probably cut this, I don't know if I'm going to cut this into 8-foot chunks we'll do the same thing on this one. We'll go ahead and cut off 16-foot sections. But this is working good, and it makes me feel better that we're not just wasting them and burning them in a big pile. And it is pine, so I mean, it's not hardwood. It's not really going to be the best firewood, but you know, for an outdoor fire pit, it'll work just fine. Battery died. I did get one more tree down. This battery's halfway full. I got one more charging, but I just did some quick math. So I got 8 16-foot logs, and if I split those into 16 inches each, and then times that by 4 logs per 16-inch log, or you know, 4 pieces of wood per 16-inch log, that should give me about 35 to 40 bags of firewood so far, which I think is pretty good. Obviously that math isn't exact because, you know, as you get higher up in the tree, the less, you know, thick the tree is, the less wood you're gonna get, but it's just a rough estimate. But I was hoping to get 10 trees today, which I've only been out here for a couple hours. But it is Sunday, so. But anyway, that's the plan. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill in this hole, and then let's get to another tree. All right, we're gonna see if we can't get this big one right here. This one's probably 12 to 13 inches, maybe a little bit bigger. I say big, you know, but it's amazing. It's big for this machine. So that was my last tree. I'm about to put the camera up so you guys can see me kind of load it up onto the little firewood rack that I've got. Dylan's coming through the back trail right there with a whole bunch of stumps, and he's basically just going through the trails, grabbing the stumps in the bucket and putting them on top of this pile. So we're back in the excavator here, and we're just going to stack the rest of these logs. It's nothing crazy, nothing fancy. Just trying to stack them here out of the way so they can kind of dry a little bit, and then hopefully they're off the ground. I got two of those little landscaping I don't know what they're called, but once we get the building, then we're probably gonna split everything and then stack them in little IBC totes. At least that's the plan. Actually, I guess there's 3 8-foot pieces. One of them might even be a little bit smaller. I might even just leave those on the ground since they're not full pieces. I think what I'll do is I'm just going to set these off to the side, and then that way I guess next time I'm here, if there's any other 8-foot pieces or 6-foot pieces that I want to keep, I'll just kind of make their own stack. So yeah, we got 1, 2, 3, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so we got 8 16-foot logs, and looks like we could probably fit another 2 16-foot logs on the back there, and then basically we just keep on stacking them up from there. So you know, 10 logs per row, and yeah, that should work all right. At least it'll start drying out just a little bit. Alright, so anyway, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go clean up the mess that I made around this pile, and then I've got to go get a big stump and clean up the driveway just a little bit with this. And then the last thing I got to do today is, Dylan said he didn't do a very good job leveling out or smoothing out the last trail straight ahead, so I'm going to finish that, and then I think that'll be probably it for today. Just All right, guys. Well, that's it for today. And we're loading this thing up, taking it back, and then next weekend we'll have some more attachments to do what we need to do. So we'll see you either in the next clip or the next video.
Yay.